So we're not really sure what's going to happen with this library, but it's a great building, and I really hope they help it stay alive. I'm in Hazelwood right now, and this restaurant's unfortunately closed. The owner passed away a couple years ago. Apparently, the Hungarian food was legendary. If you don't know, Pittsburgh had a lot of Eastern European immigrants, especially during the height of the steel mills. This is another look at Hazelwood. Apparently, there are some new buildings there. Now, this is the St. Stephen Cathedral, and this was a 1902 church. Look at how pretty it is. Look at the cornerstones and everything. I'm glad it's still a functioning parish. Now, this is the bridge that goes over Irvine Street to the Hazelwood Trail. And this was another way employees would get down to the J&L Steel plant. Look at this bridge. This is closer to 2nd Avenue, closer to Greenfield. That's Baltimore and Ohio. Now, I think old bridges like this one 1931, they're so cool looking at the engineering. Baltimore and Ohio was eventually absorbed by CSX. That's the Chessie system, or Chesapeake. So you can see where they still have a connection to the Baltimore area. Now, the J&L Steel plant, unfortunately, is no longer there. It would have been great to have the relics there. LTV was the company that bought them. They went into decline in the 80s, but I still think these old signs are so cool. I wouldn't go pecking around that site too much. It's a brownfield site. The ground could be contaminated. Anyway, still a really nice look onto downtown Pittsburgh from the east. So now we're getting close to the Run. This is the St. John Chrysostom Church. That's where Andy Warhol probably had his funeral in 1987. This is a Slovak church too. Remember what I said? Pittsburgh had tons of immigrants, lots of Eastern European ones. And now finally, Big Jim's in the Run. Roast beef sandwiches since 1970.